Autodesk's digital prototyping solution empowers manufacturers like you to design, manufacture, and sell the world's best products. Hello, my name is Luke Mihelsic, and for the next 15 minutes, I'm going to share with you how the Autodesk solution for digital prototyping will help you make great products and improve your business results. Autodesk believes everyone has the right to make great products. We believe that removing barriers will give everyone an equal chance to design, manufacture, and sell great products. We believe hurdles like expensive software, tools that don't communicate well, and the need for intensive IT support hold the majority back. These beliefs drove us to create a solution that is scalable, cost-effective, and open. If you want to make great products and have a partner that shares that same dream, whose sole focus is removing barriers that hold you back from designing, manufacturing, and selling great products, let me introduce you to Autodesk Digital Prototyping. The manufacturing industry today is actually quite diverse. It comprises multiple segments and subsegments. We recognize the fact that business drivers and challenges that companies face in the industrial machinery segment, for example, are quite different than those experienced by companies in the consumer product segment. However, the reality is, whether you're manufacturing conveyor equipment or a dentist chair, the challenges manufacturing companies face in bringing products to market have more similarities than differences. The common challenges we've heard from our customers include meeting customer expectations for product quality, affordability with even tighter delivery deadlines, compliance with regulations, and increasing competition in today's global marketplace. In a recent study conducted by Tech Clarity, they identified some of the common business strategies manufacturers are putting into place to address these challenges. Not surprisingly, product differentiation through innovation and customization, along with competing in a global marketplace, are the top 3 business strategies for growth. Managing production costs for custom products with flexible manufacturing and partnering with local manufacturing companies were also in the top 5. The study then focused on the top performing companies and what they're doing to achieve superior financial performance. In this case, the top performers were defined as those companies growing their revenues and profits 2 to 2.5 times faster than the average companies in the study. One common characteristic that stood out clearly in this study is the product development process. The companies who achieved superior financial performance in today's ever-changing global competitive marketplace have adopted digital prototyping extensively, not just in engineering, but throughout the entire process of developing new products, from design and engineering, through testing and validation, through manufacturing and production, and finally in sales and marketing. Furthermore, these companies leveraged a comprehensive data management approach that allowed multiple people and departments to collaborate on a single digital product model. Unfortunately, manufacturing today, even for top-performing manufacturers, is still dominated by disconnected islands of competency. Each group, including suppliers, remains disconnected from one another, and that disconnect results in errors and rework. Each of these disconnects provides its own set of unique challenges. The traditional method of product development can make digital knowledge of a product hard to come by in the early conceptual phases, when the flexibility to make changes is at its highest. As the data is passed over to the engineering discipline, incompatibilities can result in decreases in productivity, which drives up the cost as the data is recreated. Discovering design flaws in later stages can drive down productivity while further driving up costs. Constructing physical prototypes to establish the product knowledge needed to refine and ultimately manufacture the product results in dramatically increased costs and delayed time to market. Autodesk Digital Prototyping helps you make great products. The advantage of Autodesk Digital Prototyping is twofold. First, more product knowledge is available earlier in the process because data loss is minimized or eliminated as you move downstream, and you don't have to construct as many physical prototypes. Productivity is increased while costs are dramatically reduced. And secondly, your ability to innovate is increased. This means you can get better products to market in less time, resulting in increased revenue and market share as your customers choose your products over the competition. Now let's take a look at a few examples. The first customer we'll highlight is Valiant, who achieved impressive results with digital prototyping by accelerating the development of new products.
Valiant Machine and Tool is a provider of equipment and machinery, and that equipment and machinery is used to assemble vehicles, assemble engines, assemble transmissions, and a variety of other automotive components. Our ability to go and hear the voice of the client, interpret that, and then create a solution in concept, and then a solution in reality is something that definitely differentiates us in the marketplace.
Using digital prototyping along with Vault, we're able to save lots of time on projects. Something that would have took months, we could bring it down to weeks because we're able to take something that was done previously, bring that in, and then just modify where we need to on the part touch and details. From there, we could go into final design and then to releasing.
Vault gives us the ability to standardize our products into components and modules. We take those components and modules and we reapply them on each unique application in order to create a custom solution for each client. We really do believe that the Autodesk products like Vault are essential contributors, key partners, if you will, in order for us to continue going forward globally with sales, product innovation, and client focus.
Simulation is a critical element of any digital prototyping solution to evaluate digitally how a product will behave and respond to the physical conditions it will experience in actual operation. By leveraging the simulation capabilities inside of digital prototyping, Karcher was able to answer critical questions like, is it strong enough? Can I make it lighter? What happens when it moves? And will it fail? The ability to do this without the need to construct a physical prototype can provide significant competitive advantage.
Here at Karcher North America, we manufacture cleaning equipment such as pressure washers, steam cleaners, evaporators, and water filtration equipment. Well, the Autodesk product design suite was very beneficial in coming out with our new high-pressure oil-fired burner assemblies, because that took into account a lot of molding in die-cast aluminum, so we had to make sure we got it right from the start.
I really like the ability to use FEA analysis in my design. We're always looking for ways to cost material down, and one way is by lessening steel, and we push the envelope sometimes by going too light, but with FEA and Inventor, I'm able to do this analysis quickly, and I really enjoy that. What we did with Inventor and its FEA software is able to use a form channel design, eliminating a lot of welding and reducing our weight probably up to 30%.
Well, the Autodesk product design suite works out of the box, from our electrical wiring diagrams to our design to our manipulation of the product to see how it functions and interacts with other components in our product. So with that, it speeds up the whole process with fewer errors along the way.
The Autodesk solution for digital prototyping also extends to the shop floor. From tooling design, to mold analysis, to factory optimization, and cutter path creation. Leveraging Autodesk digital prototyping, Dearborn Midwest was able to make customer installations right the first time, every time.
Dearborn Midwest is a turnkey contractor that has great experience with conveyors.
Factory Design Suite has allowed us to transition from a 2D world into a 3D world very seamlessly. When we scan the building, it gives us a cloud of points, and we found a couple of interferences that were identified because of the 3D scan. We were able to move our equipment to avoid those interferences.
Well, it crunches our installation to where we need to have our design to be perfect. Our design requirements are that things bolt together and they work first time out.
The Factory Design Suite has allowed us to decrease change orders quite a bit, being able to identify interferences and clearance issues up front has kept change orders down to a minimum. Our clients appreciate what we do.
Whether it's helping you get spec'd into a building project through BIM, allowing your customers to configure your products over the cloud, or creating world-class sales and marketing content, Autodesk helps you move the revenue needle with digital prototyping. Astro Studios relies on Autodesk to help sell their concepts with breakthrough imagery before a single prototype is even built. Astro is credited with designing the Xbox 360, the Nike Fuel Band, hip audio gear from Soul Republic, and Skull Candy. even bringing their own products to market like their custom high-end watch called the Minus 8 and high-end gaming equipment from Astro Gaming. When given the opportunity to choose any tool to help them sell and market their concepts, Astro turns to Autodesk. Autodesk is a world leader in 3D design, engineering, and entertainment software. Since the introduction of AutoCAD more than 25 years ago, we've been helping you design, imagine, and create. If you've ever admired gorgeous architecture, watched an animated movie, played a video game, or held a manufactured product in your hand, there's a good chance Autodesk was involved in the process. Today, Autodesk is once again leading the industry by bringing your team digital prototyping solutions that are scalable, open, and cost-effective. From cloud-based tools to rental solutions, Autodesk is removing the barriers to help you make great products. Our portfolio is the broadest and deepest in the industry. With Autodesk, you have access to leading-edge technology regardless of the industry or application. We have more than 10 million Autodesk customers and close to 1 million companies around the world, all supported by a global network of channel partners, developers, authorized training centers, and Autodesk Consulting. So no matter where in the world you do business today or in the future, you can rest assured that Autodesk has the technology and resources to help you achieve your business objectives. Today we've shown you some examples of how top-performing companies have implemented digital prototyping to gain a competitive advantage. However, the right implementation for your company will be a function of your specific situation, the industry segment you serve, the customers you sell to, the competitors you sell against, and the existing processes and solutions you already have in place. As a next step, we would like to work closely with you and conduct a business process assessment to understand your business objectives, review the impact your existing processes have on those objectives, and identify key opportunities for improvement. After completing this assessment, we'll present you the results and business recommendations to implement a solution for you to maximize your revenue and profits. We look forward to helping you make great products. Thanks, and have a great day.